Welcome to a new wave in microbiology with AI for microbiologists from Complete AI Training. If you are passionate about uncovering the secrets of the microbial world, this course offers a unique opportunity to upgrade your research and career using advanced artificial intelligence techniques. Imagine data analysis becoming more intuitive, hypothesis generation more efficient, and mundane tasks automated so you can focus on the science that excites you. This course features clear, step-by-step video lessons designed especially for microbiologists who want to harness the power of AI. Through practical exercises and specialized tools, you will learn to analyze genomic data, predict microbial interactions, and generate actionable insights effortlessly. This approach not only accelerates your discoveries but also secures your position in a competitive field where employers value professionals who combine traditional expertise with modern technology. In addition, most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase your earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. With regular updates on the latest AI methods and real-world applications, you remain equipped with cutting-edge knowledge that transforms the everyday challenges of lab work into opportunities for innovation. Begin your journey by understanding your needs, experimenting with AI tools, and optimizing your workflow to achieve immediate productivity boosts in your research. Discover all AI for microbiologists training courses on CompleteAITraining.com and embrace a future where your potential for discovery and leadership in your field is limitless.